Hello guys, how are you doing? This is how you walk around with the daily code. First, you need to know how to identify the daily code. And then from there, after I teach you how to identify the daily code, I will teach you how you walk around with it. Now I need you to pay attention. First, you need to know how to get the daily code. Now I will use yesterday's price action, which was on date 16th. If I come here to this 4-hour chart, I come here to this 4-hour candle, this one, I will see it was 2026, June 2026. So I told you in part one of, I taught you part one on how to get the daily code. I told you, you take the last month code, year code, and the daily code. So here, the most important thing is the last digit of the year, the last digit of the month, and the last digit of the daily code. So it will be 666, and that will be your daily code. If I move to the previous day like this, and I try to get the daily code, it will be 665. If I move to the previous day here, it will be 662. And that's how you get the daily code. How do you work around with the daily code? Now come here. You come here. First, you will check, you add the numbers 6 plus 6, you are getting, you will get 18. After you add 6 plus 6 plus 6, you get 18. Then from there, you are supposed to get the range of that 4-hour candle. Remember, we want to predict the next 4-hour candle low using the previous 4-hour candle. That is what we are working with. So you come here, take the high, the low, high minus the low, you get the range. The range is 25. So you usually take the month code, divide by total times the range. You get this. 6/18, the range. Come here. I want to show you in real life, real time, so that you don't say it's Kipindi. I want to mark here. Show. High is 4333.12. Low is 4307.57. Here, written down here. The range, after I subtract, I get 25.55. I take 6/18 times the 25.5. I get the estimated range. After I get the estimated range, what do I do next? I take the closing price minus the estimated range to get where the low of the next 4-hour candle will form. There. I get 43. Closing price minus the estimated range, I'm getting 14.04. After I get that, I go to the 1 minute time frame and plot that point, 14.04. Now let me close this. I go to 1 minute time frame. Here, come here. See? Now here it is. This is the 4-hour candle I have worked with, the 4 a.m. 4-hour candle, and now this is 43.14. You can check there. 43.14. The next 4-hour candle came, tapped that level, and bought crazily. That's why they call me the big boss. Unasikia? I have rushed to make this video because I'm posting. This is a TikTok video. So if you want to learn everything the proper way without getting rushed and understand it, visit my YouTube or find me. My name is Big Baba. That is 43.14. Can you see it? 43.14, and you can see first tap, second tap. Go on date 16 and do that and try that. You will see how the market did. Then see you on the other side. They call me the big boss.